நியூ அரைவல்ஸ் ஆஃப் கலம்காரி பிரிண்டட் பட்ஜெட் ஃப்ரெண்ட்லி சில்க் காட்டன் sarees பார்க்க போறோம், வாங்க பார்க்கலாம். கலம்காரி பிரிண்டட்லயே ஃபர்ஸ்ட் saree wine with baby pink color with all over கலம்காரி printed design இருக்கு and a simple lined pallu and a contrast printed blouse. அடுத்து ஒரு lavender with half white, peach with magenta color, violet with rani pink color, half white with lavender, Sneha green with peacock blue color, dual shaded peach with teal green color, violet with baby pink color, dual shaded elaka green with rani pink color, peach with peacock blue color, lavender with half white, teal with silver grey color, pale white with Meenakshi magenta color, dual shaded green with rani pink color, dual shaded peach with dual shaded peacock blue color, coffee brown with half white, green with magenta color, bright peach orange with magenta color, blue with red color, teal with half white, simmer color with peacock blue color, half white with rani pink color, dual shaded pink with lavender, parrot green with peacock blue color, peach with peacock blue color, wine with silver grey color, half white with lavender color, dual shaded pink with peacock blue color, dual shaded elaka green with red color, simmer color with lavender color,